northeast 3 to 5 feet. Wave detail, southeast 5 feet at 6 seconds. A chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Showers.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal and outer waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, until 9:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of Bowers Beach to 12 nautical miles west of Slaughter Beach to 18 nautical miles east of Miles River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include 5 Fathoms Buoy, Buoy 2 FB, Brown Shoal Lake, Fenwick Island, Buoy 4 FB, Buoy 3 FB, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Deepwater Reef, Miami Lake, Brandywine Shoal Light, Ocean City Reef, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Overfalls Shoal, The Lump, 28-mile wreck, Bethany Beach, Cross Ledge Light, and 14-foot bank light. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and southern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
South winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Increasing
Doubleheader, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my
afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A chance of showers.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Westchester, Coatesville, Downingtown, Parkersburg, Honeybrook, Elverson, Glenmore, Marshallton, Leonville, Markwood, Chester Springs, and West Goshen. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 301 and 317. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
www.weather.gov/safety/.
Here is the official National Weather Service